Hel- Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is a third standard maths class. This is a third maths class, and this is your Tezit sir, my dear students. I hope you all remember, my dear students, chapter number 12, handling data is going on. In last lecture, we had done a revision of data handling. What is the concept? What is the data handling? Then after types of the data handling means pictograph, bar graph, okay, and that types of the topic we had done in last session. Understood all my dear students? What I am telling you, I hope you all are understood all dear. So in this session, we are going to learn again do the revision of and a practice of bar graph or pictograph. Also, we are going to practice this both graph. What my dear all students, today we are going to learn the revision of bar graph and pictograph. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood. So first of all, I am going to start here the revision of chapter number 12. First of all, here let's check today's code. What is the today's code? And then after, my dear all students, we will move on further our session. Okay, and my dear students, one more thing, take out your book, sit properly, and important things, pencil, eraser, scale, keep it with you, all my dear students, and then I am going to start our session. So first of all, I am going to again I am telling you here again I am going to represent our today's quote. Got my points? So let's check what is the today's quote. So my dear students, attention here all properly. Always do your best. What? Always do your best. What you plant now, you will harvest later. What my dear all students? Always do your best. What you plant now means what we plant now, we will harvest later. My points, all my dear students, understood what I am telling you? Always do your best. What you plant now means what we plant now, we will harvest later. My points, my dear students, understood? I hope you all are understood. Means now we have to do the best performance, and then after we will take a rank or number. Got my points, all my dear students. So now put a heading over here, chapter number 12, data handling. Note down this topic, all my dear students. I hope you all are understood. Note down the topic, chapter number 12, data handling. I hope you all are understood all dear. Note down these all things in your book, dear all. Chapter number 12, data handling. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood. First of all, put a heading over there. Chapter number maths. Sorry. First of all, you put heading over there and subject maths. Then after a number of the chapter number means you have to should have mentioned that chapter number 12. And then, my dear all students, you have to mention their name of the chapter. What is the name of the chapter? Chapter number 12, handling a data. Otherwise, data handling or handling a data. Note down this all things in your book, my dear all students. I hope you all are understood. And now, my dear students, I am going to explain you what is the meaning of data. What is a meaning of the data? Okay, so you have to write with me. Whenever I am explaining you, you have to write the definition of data. What my dear students, you have to write the definition of data. My points, my dear students, data, the information collected in all such a cases is called a data. What my dear all students, in information, the information collected in all such a cases is called a data. Good. My points, all of you. So, my dear students, note down this data, this definition of data. data, the information collected in all such a cases, the information collected in all such a cases is called a data. What is called? It's called a data. Understood? Got my point? So now we will move on further our session. We are going to be a practice of a what? Pictograph. Okay, so first of all, again I am going to represent here what is a pictograph. So now note down this topic again, my dear students. That topic we had done in a last session, but again I am going to revise that topic. What is a pictograph? What is the pictograph, my dear students? Pictograph means use a picture, show how many of such category. Uses a picture to show how many of each category. How many of each category. Got my points, all my dear students? What I am telling you, you have to note down all things, my dear students, in your book. Use a pictures to show how many of each category. So you should have to mention here. So all my dear students, what I am telling you, we have to use the picture to show many of the each category. Means each means different category. Pictures can equal means what, my dear all students? Pictures can equal more than one. Okay, pictures can equal more than one. Got my point? See, this is picture, and that what is shows is more than one. This pictograph uses apple to show how many apples were sold each month. Okay, how many apples were sold each month? Each month. Got my point, all my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, all my dear students. Note down these all things, dear all. Compulsory you have to note down these three all topics. Again I am going to repeat for you, and then you have to draw this data: January, February, March and April, and then you have to decide, you have to draw the apple. How many apple? And key, compulsory you have to mention a key. Key is what represent? Key is present, each apple is presented there. What? Each apple is present there. What, my dear students? 10 apples. How many apples? Note down these all things, all my dear, what I am telling you. So, first point is what, all dear? First point, use the picture. We have to use the picture to show how many of each category. How many of each category. And pictures can equal, what, my dear students? Pictures can equal more than one. More than one. This pictograph uses a apple to show how many apple were sold each month. Okay, means we have to what we have to do, we have to count the how many apples sold in one month. Okay, and let's check what is the key. Key is one apple, it presented 10 apples. One apple is presented, how many apples are there? 10 apples. Got my points, all my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, all my dear students. Note down these all things in your book, my dear all students. And then after January, so now we are going to count in January how many apples are there? One apple. Okay, one apple is equal to, in one apple is equal to 10, and half apple is equal to 5 apples. What my points, all my dear students? I hope you all are understood, dear all. So January in January one apple sold. One apple is equal to how many, my dear students? 10 apple over there. 10 apple over there. Got my points, all my dear students. Note down these all things in your book. And then after, in February, how many apples will how many how many apples sold in February? So there are checked. See, there are, we are going to check one, two, three, and four. There are four apples sold. So 10 fours are 14. So in February month, 14 apple sold. My points, my dear all. Note down these all things in your book, dear. I hope you all are understood. 10 apple in January month. In February is 14. And then after March, in March, we are going to count 1, 2, means 20, 20 plus a half apple. So what is the half? A half apple is represent, half apple is present of 5. How many, my dear students? 5. So there is a 25. How many, my dear students? There is a 25. Got my points all, dear? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear all. Note down the whole things, and then after in April, a 2, 1 and 2. So 2 is equal to what is present? 20. Got my points? Note down these whole things in your book, dear all. In January, there are 10 apples sold. In February, 14 apples sold. In March, there are 25 apples sold. And April, and there are 20, also 20 apple sold. Note down these all things in your book, my dear all. Okay. I hope you all are understood, all dear. Now we are going to learn a pictograph. What we are going to learn, my dear students? Here only we are going to check the total of given number. Okay. So number of key and one picture is equal to 10 fruits. How many fruits, my dear students? 10 fruits. And half fruit, it will be going to present as a half 5. Okay, 5 fruit. If there are a wall fruit is equal to, wall means one fruit is equal to, sorry, one picture is equal to 10 fruit, and half picture is equal to 5 fruits. Got my points, all my dear students? Note down these all things in your book, dear all. What I am telling you, you have to write all things in your book. Got my points, all my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood. So which type of the fruit here using, my dear students? Here they all are using the strawberry, orange, pineapple, apple and mango. So my dear all students, what I am telling you, first of all is strawberry is there. So number of the fruits. How many fruits are there? How many pictures are there of fruit? How many pictures of fruits are there? So we are going to count that all are all fruits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 total fruits are there, and this is a half. Its present is what? It be presented there a half. See. My points, all my dear students. Half fruit is presented a 5. Okay. So my dear all students, one strawberry is equal to 10 fruit. So there are 6 full strawberry. So 6 tens are 16, and this half strawberry is presented 5. Okay. So 6 plus 5 means 65. So there are 65 strawberry are there. How many strawberry are there? There are 65 strawberry. There are 65 strawberry. Understood? Good, my points. I hope you all are understood, my dear all students. Note down these all things in your book, dear. 65. It's already is here. 65. Okay. Note down these things in your book, dear. And then after orange is there. What, my dear students? Orange is been there. So all my dear students, what I am telling you here, orange. Okay. So first of all, we are going to count a wall orange, means full orange, full fruit. One, two, three, four. There are four orange. How many oranges are there? There are full orange. Sorry, wall orange is four. Means four times the 40. And then here is the last is what? Last is the half. So what is the half is going to be represent? Half is going to be represent a 5. So 40 plus 5, it will be a present of 45. How many, my dear students? It will be going to be a present of 45. Got my points? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear all students. Note down these all things in your book, dear. What I am telling you, note down these all things in your book, dear. And then after we will move on further, my dear all. Then after pineapple. What, my dear students? Then after the pineapple is over there. So how many numbers of the pineapples are there? What, all my dear students? How many pineapples are there? So now we are going to count the strength of pineapple. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, or eight. So there are total eight pineapples. Sorry, here I'm by forgot I'm count the apple. Here what we are going to count pineapple. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Total wall pineapples are seven and half pineapple. See here, seven and half. See, this is a half pineapple, all my dear. Okay. But my points, all my dear students, what I am telling you, you have to write all things in your book. Okay. So there are seven pineapples and count with the key. Okay. One picture is equal to 10. So one sevens are 17, 17 and half. Half is how many half? 5. 7 plus 5 is equal to 75. Understood? So answer is what? There are total 75 pineapples are there. There are 70 pineapples. Got my points, my dear students? Note down these all things in your book, dear. And then after what we are going to be count? Then after we are going to be count apple. Got my points? So first of all, we are going to count the apple. How many apples are there? So one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. How many apples are there? There are 80 apples. How many apples are there? There are total 80 apples. Understood? Total there are 80 apples. Here students, so how we will going to count 80 multiply by 10. So answer is what? 80. 8 tens are 18. So answer is what? 80. Got my points? Means there are is total 80 apples. Got my points, all my dear students? You have to note down with me all things in your book, dear. As like that, my dear students, one demo I am going to be write. One demo I am going to be write for you all, dear. 8 8 tens are 80. For my points, my dear all students, as like that we are going to learn about all things. For my points, what I am telling you, dear. So note down this as like that the term of pictograph. And then after we will going to write a wall things, dear. Understood, all of you? And then last is what? Mango. So how many mangoes are there? One, two, three, and four. There are total four mangoes. So four tens are 40. How many, my dear students? See here. The four tens are 40. Got my points, all of you? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear all students. So note down these all things in your book, dear. And then after we will move on further, all my dear. Our next graph. Understood, all of you? See here the data handling, and one more example is here. A cricketer, a cricket, a cricketer scores the following runs in 10 matches. How many matches? In 10 matches. Okay. 76, 35, 83, 95, 40, 115, 80, 49, 68, and 71. Last is what, my dear students? Last is 71. Now we are going to check the question, all my dear students. Now we are going to check the question, all dear. First question is what? What is the First question is what, my dear students? What is the highest score? Maximum value, range. We have to write the range. Range means what? Maximum value minus minimum value. Okay. So first of all, we are going to solve only one question here. First question, what we are going to check, my dear students? First question, we are going to check what is the highest score. What is the highest score? Put my points, all my dear students. Note down these all things in your book, dear. I hope you all are understood. So highest score we are going to check 150. 115. So now we are going to write the answer 115. This is the highest score. Now what is his latest score? Less score means a low. Okay, so lowest, my lowest what? A 35. See here the 35. And then after range, what is the range? So my dear students, what is the range? Okay, they give the key of the range. How we will going to be find the range? Means maximum value. How many maximum? 150. See, 115 and minus less marks 30, less score 35. Got my points, all my dear students? So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Then after 11 minus 3, 11 minus 3, so is 8. Okay, so answer is what, my dear students? 8080. Got my points? Note down this answer in your book, dear. I hope you all are understood what I am telling you, all my dear students. Okay, so note down these things, and answer is what? 8080. So now you have to write with me, all my dear students, 8080. Understood, all of you? Note down these things in your book, dear, what I am telling you. This is a very important for us. Okay, and now last is what is a least score. Okay, least means a lowest, a minimum or minimum. So its minimum score is what? 35. 35. How many, my dear students? 35. Note down these things in your book, my dear all, what I am telling you. 35. Understood all? Note down these things. So my dear all students, okay, so what is the least score? I hope you all are know. I hope you all are understood. As like that, we are going to found a wall things. Understood all? So dear, I hope you all know how to solve the pictogram. How to solve the pictogram. Get my point? Understood? So as like that, my dear students, we are going to solve the pictograph. Understood? Got my points? Note down this all things. Okay? And my dear students, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you all my dear students. Thank you so much all.